Okay, that was cool. Like at least you have his number.
He did the same thing. Hey,
You should have just let him go because he already had the number, bro. So, are you going to follow this guy for the rest of the day? If you still have know what happened next.
go!
Yo, I just don't know why some drivers like to brake check. I'm like, what are you benefiting from that?
He's so invisible you can't see him.
Dumb shit. He has front lights.
No, he doesn't.
What he calls lights.
Yay! It worked!
I gave him thumbs up.
Yeah, bro. Like, fuck.
Once again, this year we're asking you to help us out by supporting Why Hunger's annual Hunger-a-thon donation drive. It's easy. You just go to SiriusXM and
Oh my god, are you for real? You have your own lane! Can you believe this shit? He's stopped dead! He is stopped dead! This mother... No, Johnny! No! You got it, you got it, you got it, you got it, you got it. You're good. Good shit, good shit, good shit, good shit. Good shit. Go a little slower for the rest of the drive, please. Thank you. Good.
Wait, was he not watching? Bro, just because of that tailgating. You are the cause, babe. You are the cause.
Yeah,
I'm so sorry.
it's all right.
That just scared the shit out of me.
I'm just happy that she admits that she was wrong. What the hell? She made no attempt to speak with me. Yo,
Back in the flesh.
Okay, yeah. I would.
Start recording emergency video.
what the hell?
all of the stress and use it as fuel, and that's not a great solution. You have to negotiate that better.
You were mentioning that when you were growing up, you have a very boring life because you guys made decisions, and in your home there wasn't any obstacles you had to overcome.